Top of the morning and happy Saturday and happy Sunday. God bless you. Check it out. What are we doing? Got this Honda CR-V. Needs an air filter. Badly needs an air filter. Like, put your foot on the floor in this car and it's just like you can't breathe. So all you got to do is unplug this sensor right here. Go catch your hands. I'm going to undo this clip right here. Onto that for me. Gonna undo this clip. Undo these. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now those are known to actually break on like other Hondas. I think just in general, you know. Shoelaces. Don't want to do that. I'm doing this one-handed. Alright. Gonna undo that. Good enough. You know what I just thought about? It would have been a good time to clean that throttle body, because I could see it's gummy. Have to do that at home. Alright, so check it out. This here's the new air filters. You can see all the pleats, I think is what they're called. They're nice, you know? There's no like debris stuck in them or nothing like that. However, this is the old one. And you can clearly see it's discolored. It's like gray. And looks quite clogged, in my opinion. I mean, this car drives like it's having difficulty taking in air, and mileage could be better. So let's pop this guy in there right now. Alright, now we're gonna take this cover. I had to put my phone down to get this out. And I'm gonna get the one clip in there. Push that down. Push this in. 2. Technical difficulties. Let's go. See, now I went to check this filter yesterday, and here's what happened. My hands are cold. So I unplugged the sensor. I took the cover off. I took this clip out, and I was like, "Oh, needs a filter, right?" Because they look like this. This is garbage, right? So I was like, "Oh, it needs a filter." So I'll put everything back. You know, I'll put these clips back on, just like that, and one more, and that. But I forgot to put this sensor back in. And what do you know? The minute I turn on the car, check engine light, you know, VSA control light on, and I was like, man, I gotta go on a little road trip right now. Guess I'm gonna waste a little bit of gas. But, you know, I popped the hood, put the sensor back on. I drove her for like maybe 100 miles or whatever last night. All good. That's it. Test drive time. Let's go. My feets. So, upon turning on the car, focus please. It feels like the response is definitely there. Like you just touch the gas pedal and it reacts. You know, before it would sort of like hobble for maybe like a blink of an eye, and then it would, you know, it would raise the RPM. It's time to hit VTEC.